friends, this is Kavya from grade 6 DPS Sharjah and welcome to my channel Le Monde Français de Kavya. Today I will be explaining the topic Bienvenue en France, which means welcome to France. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's get started. About France. France is the largest country in the Western Europe and is surrounded by Belgium and Luxembourg in the northeast, Germany, Switzerland and Italy in the east, Mediterranean Sea, Monaco, Spain and Andorra in the south. The capital of France is Paris. The name France was taken from a Latin word Francia, which means the country of the Franks. France is also called l'Hexagone. L'Hexagone means hexagon. It is the nickname of France. Fromage. Fromage means cheese. Few examples are Camembert, Gruyère, Brie, etc. Drapeau français. Drapeau français is the French flag. It has the colors bleu, which means blue, blanc, which means white, and rouge, which means red. France is also famous for escargot, which means snail. Tour de France, the great bicycle race of France. Parfum, perfume. Baguette, French bread. Festival des Cannes, International Film Festival. Tour Eiffel, Eiffel Tower. Musée du Louvre, Museum of Louvre. Joconde, Mona Lisa. And Napoleon Bonaparte, the Emperor of France. Let us revise all the words again. Bienvenue, bienvenue, welcome. Bonjour mes amis, bonjour mes amis. Good morning my friends. Drapeau français, drapeau français, French flag. Fromage, fromage, cheese. Tour de France, Tour de France, the great bicycle race of France. Escargot, escargot, snail. Parfum, parfum, perfume. Festival des Cannes, Festival des Cannes, International Film Festival of France. Tour Eiffel, Tour Eiffel, Eiffel Tower. Baguette, baguette, French bread. Musée du Louvre, Musée du Louvre, Museum of Louvre. Napoleon Bonaparte, Napoleon Bonaparte, Emperor of France. Hexagon, 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 nickname of France. Joconde, Joconde, Mona Lisa. Let's solve few questions now. Match the columns. Fromage, cheese. Tour de France, bicycle race of France. Parfum, perfume. La Joconde, painting. Festival des Cannes, film festival. Escargot, snail. Très bien. Arrange the letters in order and find the French words. First one, fromage, which means cheese. Bienvenue, welcome. France, France. Paris, Paris. Parfum, perfume. Excellent. Can you guess? I am the tallest structure in France. My name is? Yes, Tour Eiffel or Eiffel Tower. I was the Emperor of France. You guessed it right. It's Napoleon Bonaparte. I am a beautiful river in France. I pass through Paris. Fantastic. La Seine. I am long and thin, hard outside and soft inside. The French love to eat me. Good job. It's escargot. I am the most important city in France. I shelter the Eiffel Tower and many other monuments. Awesome! Paris. I am the French flag. I have 3 colors. Well done. Drapeau français. Fantastic. I hope you liked this video. Tune in for more and like, share and subscribe my channel. Merci.